For that, you just draw a figure with me. Somewhere we'll have a, say, slit, two slits. Say center of the slit is O. I'll take the horizontal line. I'll put the screen here. I'm taking the screen here at a distance of D. And from one slit to other slit, say there, that is they are A and B. That distance is your small d. Right? Now at any point P, we'll take any point P. P can be your generalize if you call Yn or Yn dash. I mean position of nth bright fringe or nth dark fringe. Both the cases we can have from the same figure. For that, from A to P, the ray which is arriving at P from A and the ray which is arriving at P from B. Okay, that will be taking. Clear what I said? Now, from this point, I'll be dropping perpendicular on screen. So this fellow will be parallel to the, say, OC. They will be parallel, correct? And so that they will be equal on either side. And this is your d by 2. And this is also will be your d by 2. This distance is your d. Now call this as QR. Okay. Here we have to find the path length difference so that we can find y1, yn, and yn dash. So path length difference. What is that? This is your x. Now, if you talk about these two rays, which are arriving at P, you know, path length difference, how much do you anticipate? Yeah, this is your BP is a bigger one minus AP, isn't it? So our focus should be how to find BP minus AP. For that, we are having two right angle triangles. So we can use the properties of right angle triangle. Right. So suppose I am taking in triangle, right angle triangle, your APQ, right angle triangle, APQ. What will be your AP square? Hypotenuse square is perpendicular PQ square plus AQ. Base is AQ square, isn't it? Can we write like that? Now, what is PQ here? You can make it out easily. PQ is here. From C to P, that I can take it Y. Right. First I am taking Y, then I can take Yn or Yn dash whatever Y. So it will be PQ will be Y minus D by 2. Yes or no? PQ will be Y minus D by 2. And similarly, in other right angle triangle, we need to find PR. So it will be Y plus D by 2. Yes or no? Correct? Sure. So come here. Now it is your AP square. Yes, PQ square, just now we had seen this is your Y minus D by 2 whole square. And AQ is what? That is D only. So D square. Similarly, we can find in right angle triangle BPR. Right? In that, yes, your BP square will be, check it. Yes, it will be your PR square plus BR square, isn't it? So therefore your BP square will be PR is your Y plus D by 2 whole square plus D square, correct? Therefore, if you want to find your difference of these two, which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So I'll be taking BP square minus your AP square is equal to, if you take the difference of these two, you can check it. D square will go away, right? And after all, this is your A plus B whole square, A minus B square. So first two term in both of them will be what? Y square plus D square by 4. So these two term will also go away if I am doing minus AP square. Now what is left out? The other term in the square is, basically it is A plus B whole square. So twice AB term will come up. Twice into Y into D by 2 will just give you YD. So it will be basically YD minus YD. First term only YD, right? So this is your 2YD, yes or no? Now check it, your BP plus AP we can write here. BP minus AP we can write here. A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. On your right, twice YD. Now I'm interested for BP minus AP. That is my path difference, path length difference. Therefore, I can have BP minus AP is equal to twice YD divided by, here it is BP plus AP, right? So now we can check it. Here it is AP, BP. AP and BP, you see the capital D is around 1 meter, 100 centimeter, correct? And then you will find that this AP and BP, that is almost the same. Why? Because the distance of that point P from central bright fringe, that runs in millimeter, right? So this 1 meter means 100 centimeter means 1000 millimeter, and that fellow is a few millimeters. So you can neglect it, correct? So fine, it will be your, we can write here as twice YD, and both of them we can write here BP will be almost equal to your AP, and that will be almost equal to D. So well, I can write D plus D. So I am getting twice YD by twice D. So 2 and 2 will go away now, right? 2 and 2 cancelled. So now this is your X. So I'll be writing X is equal to YD by D. That is your path length difference. Mind it. This fellow is your path length difference. From here onward, we can make it out because we know the condition for path length difference, when it will be, what will be the path length difference for your constructive interference, that is for bright fringe, and what will be the path length difference for the destructive interference, that is your dark fringe. That we'll do next. First, you note it down.